Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is rearranging to change the subject of a formula, getting the letter you want all alone on one side. By the end of this, you'll know the standard work outwards method and the one tricky case where you have to factorise. Definition. Changing the subject means rearranging a formula so that one specific variable is isolated on one side. So if you start with y equals 3x plus 5 and you want x as the subject, you'd rearrange to get x equals y minus 5, all over 3. Same equation, different layout. Method. Do the same thing to both sides and work outwards. Undo plus and minus first, then times and divide, then powers and roots last. Reverse order of operations. Strip off the outer layers before you get to the inner ones, and if the target letter appears twice, get them both on the same side and factorise out. Common mistake. When the target variable appears twice, you must factorise. Don't ignore one of them and hope it goes away. Collect both copies of the variable on one side, then factor them out as a common factor. Now you can divide and isolate cleanly. Quick example, make x the subject of y equals 3x plus 5. So subtract 5 from both sides, so y minus 5 equals 3x, and divide both sides by 3. X equals y minus 5 all over 3. 2 operations, both sides, every time, done.